Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I am in the final semester of my graduation, and I am pursuing BSc Biotechnology,
From?
and from Amity University, Noida campus.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and like I am planning for CAT 2021. That is my first preference, and my second preference is the Narsi Monji Mumbai campus.
Yeah, so Narsi Munjay, MAT, CMAT,
Yes, sir.
and TIS, all that will follow, automatically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, what is your question for the day, dear?
Sir, actually, I'm not that good in quants and DI sections, so I just want to know, I just want to know about the time management, like how many questions should I do every day for developing skill in quants, and at the same time, like especially in pie charts and bar graphs and all, I am facing a lot of problems while solving in DI sets, especially. So like if, now around 8-9 months are there, so if I start from today itself, so every day how many sets should I at least practice, so that after 2-3 months I will be good to go? Those are my
Good,
queries.
good.
Yes,
So,
sir.
can we have Purvi now with us? Yeah, Purvi.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I completed my BBA LLB from Symbiosis Law School in October.
Symbiosis Law School, okay.
Yes, sir, Pune campus. And I'm preparing for GMAT and CAT this year. So, yes, so my question is like, um, how should I master my concepts for quant space specifically?
Kratika.
Hello, sir. It's
Yeah,
good
hello.
to see you here. I always saw you on YouTube, and I'm just fascinated by seeing you live. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm currently working at LivCure Surgical Private Limited. It's a startup, and I'm playing a pivotal role in it as a business development manager. My question to you is that I face a lot of problem in solving maxima minima questions in DILR. This is में table होते हैं, and we have to select कि सबसे कम सबसे ज़्यादा कौन है. So in that questions and in caselets also there are so many different types. Like one of the chains, we have to cut the chain in different parts, the gold chain, and there are some kind of specific questions in caselets that I am really out of mind in that section.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ujjain.
Ujjain, okay.
Right.
And you have done your BTech from which college?
From Sri Vaishnav Institute of Technology, Indore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. So can we have the next question with us is Mr. Ankit Singh.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening,
So myself Ankit, and I'm from Delhi. Right now I'm in third year of my Bachelor's of Pharmacy from Amity University, Gwalior. And currently I am staying in Delhi due to this pandemic situation. So my question to you is, so first of all, I am not a good base of DILR, and second question is how not to do those questions which are not important for CAT. Means if there is some difficult question, like I have seen in your videos, you have told in few questions that you should not attempt this or this type of questions. So what type of question should I attempt? And third question is so about some basic idea for VARC reading, how to improve the reading and how to read fast. That's also.
Great. So we have with us Nikhil Bhagat. Very regular on YouTube, right?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I am pursuing BBA. I am in second year of BBA. I am from Kolkata.
Kolkata, okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is how to be consistent.
Okay. Next, we have with us Tanmay Pandey.
And sir, one more question. Sir, I have completed arithmetic from your YouTube video. What to do next now? How to proceed?
You want to do?
I have done arithmetic part from your YouTube videos. So how to proceed now? What to do next?
एडवांस करने का अभी कोई बात नहीं. तन्मय पांडे.
Hello, sir. I'm currently working in Accenture Technologies, and I would just it has been just 6 months, and I gave the CAT this time, but just without preparation. I was not serious this time, and I got in DLR I got 90, and in quants I got 85, but my verbal was a bit terrible.
Overall,
Means it's my overall was 76.
so क्या verbal में 5-10 आया क्या 15 आया?
It was 40 percentile,
Okay.
and it's not like कि मेरा verbal ऐसा खराब है. Means I have got 93% in my 12th also, 9.6 CGPA in 10th, but I don't know. Actually, I attempted a lot in overconfidence. Accuracy, I don't think it was.
Okay.
And
Okay.
and this time I will be going with. I thought I have to go with WorkX. So and I really like your unconventional methods. Like I recently started watching your videos.
Okay.
I started with your mixture and allegation, your different methods and all. Means I think only those things will be helpful. Means
Yeah.
taking a variable means as less जितना पेन पेपर का यूज कम हो पाए उतना बेटर है. So yeah, so means I want to know like ऐसे unconventional methods सारे chapters में हो सकते हैं कि means I have recent, so that's what.
So, good guys. So my name is Soni Goyal. As you know, I'm into coaching and delivering talks. And before that, I did my BTech, and 12 times I appeared for CAT. So rest you can find it on YouTube, right? Now the structure for this session is going to be first 20 minutes I'm going to give you a common gyan which can help you to understand DI with a different perspective, and after that we are going to talk about your individual questions, right? And in the meantime, if you have anything coming in your mind, just type in, right, so that we don't miss on that. And I will also take questions from those who are not able to switch on their video, but I would really like if all of you, those who have introduced yourself, you keep your video on, and we go on discussing of our next, let us say 20-25 minutes, right? And probably after that, I've noted down your questions, so we'll take your questions as well individually. Great. Now, let us first understand this, DILR. Usually, people in our country, we fail to understand some basic things. For example, DILR, first question is, okay, DILR is tough. From last 5-6 years, we are getting pathetic scores in DILR. But my question is, यार ये आता ही क्यों है पेपर में? IIM वालों को क्या पड़ी है पेपर में डालने की? जब 5 क्वेश्चन ठीक करने से you are getting 95 percentile, right, out of 25, why the hell they are putting this in examination, right? कैसे करना है वो बाद में देखेंगे, right? Now पहला क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि यार ये आता ही क्यों है पेपर में? So for that you need to understand, management is more about decision making, right? And for making decision, you need to have a right kind of information. And the better you are able to understand that information, the better you will be able to, take decisions. Now, at the same time, you need to understand some complex equations, some complex relations. Sometimes I feel, that this is a balancing act. At the same time, it acts as a spoiler also. इस ईयर जिन्होंने कैट दिया है वो जानते हैं कि सेकंड और थर्ड स्लॉट में उड़ गए, तोते उड़ गए जिन लोगों को नहीं आ रहा था. बट अगर आपने उस कैट से 2 घंटे पहले मैंने वीडियो डाला था, 1 दिन पहले भी डाला था, देयर आई सेड कि आग लगेगी सबकी बचेगी. सो द आइडिया इज नॉट टू डू एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इन टफ टाइम्स. द आइडिया ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इज टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट मैनेजमेंट इज, राइट? सो इफ पेपर इज टफ, इट इज टफ फॉर एवरीवन. Right? How do you survive in that period? How you survive in that scenario? How you come out with a solution in that scenario? That is a point. For example, around a year back, the whole country went through whole world went through this crisis. Yes, no? So the situation was tough. It was tough for everyone. But how you sailed through that makes you the winner, right? You cannot keep blaming the situation, right? At the same time, try to understand it is a relative grading examination. Even if they put it very easy or very difficult, the result should remain by and large same, right? But yes, when you are given a pressure situation, how do you react to that? That is what is being said. That is what I think. Can IT team please check? Yeah, thank you, IT team. So guys, let us first understand, DILR at the CAT is very different from DILR at the rate of symbiosis. Is very different from DILR at the rate of NMAT. Is different from IFT and ZAT. The questions in IAFT are lengthy, right? The LR in IFT is doable. The question in ZAT for LR are lengthy and very, very, I would say they involve number of concepts. Whereas when it comes to CAT, the questions are not necessarily lengthy, but they all are tricky. They all are based on real life situations where you need to understand how to relate that particular situation with the concept of mathematics, with the concept of logical reasoning. For example, crypto arithmetic question appeared. For example, there was a question on parking. I suppose all of you are aware. I think there was a question on second slot, right? There are slots where you have to park. Now, this is a real life problem, right? How to allocate parking, where you have some people taking 2 parking, some people taking 1 parking. Now, let me give you an analogy to this problem. Have you been to restaurants any time? You must have been, right? Now, there you see there are some tables which seats 2, there are some tables which sit 6, there are some tables which sits 3 people or maybe 4 people. 2, 4, 6 is the usually the 3 classes of tables that you have. Are you getting? So if you are not able to adjust your audience, you may have table being vacant, right? And the people may wait unnecessarily. Are you understanding it? अगर 2 लोग आए हैं वो 4 वाले टेबल पे बैठ गए, अब जो 4 लोग आएंगे, so they cannot be accommodated because 2 वाला टेबल तो खाली है, but you cannot shift them in between. Are you getting? So this is a pure hotel wala bhai. This puts up this logic, how to prioritize this scheduling operation. Now let's go even smaller, even more narrower aspect where you have a tikki wale bhaiya. He has bhalle also, he has golgappe also. Now there is a client who asks only for tikki. There is a client who asks for dahi bhalla, golgappa and other thing. Now when you schedule these operations, you have to think how he need to apply the logic कि भाई एक बंदे को सिर्फ गोलगप्पे खाने और उसको भाग लेना है तो फटाफट उसको साइड से खिला दो, right? He should not be waited for the another candidate जिसकी टिक्की अभी गर्म हो रही है, right? So you had a similar question on in CAT in 2018 burger and अगर आपने previous year papers देखे होंगे, right? Now what is there कि जब हम टिक्की खाते हैं तब हम ये नहीं सोचते कि वो कौन सी मैनेजमेंट लगा रहा है. We only have टिक्की. जब हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में कुछ भी करते हैं, we never think of कि यार यहाँ पे operations कैसे लग रहे हैं, right? Have you seen railways, how they process your ticketing thing? They change from Tatkal to your, what we call Tatkal, this, what they call it as, reservation after cancellation, RACs, and then RACs are converted to confirmed tickets, right? So this is a proper typical scheduling thing, isn't it? Let us assume Mr. Ankit Singh is working with a big MNC and he needs to travel from Dubai to Phuket to let us say Barcelona to different places, right? So doesn't he need to understand the time zone difference and how it will happen? He will start in the morning. Are you understanding it? So you have a question on time zone difference in ZAT. Are you understanding it? What you are getting in CAT is not very much away from what is there in your life. And if you're not able to relate that and you still want to solve CAT, forget about it. Because in real life, you will get situations like this. As a business head, as a manager, you will face situations like this, how to manage such operations, right? As an administrator, you need to come up with the solutions. Are you understanding it? For example, you have a township. In that particular township, you have various connections. So how these connections are listed and how they are connected to day-to-day life, that's what we call a syllabus of CAT. Now I'm going to talk about this first part is CAT at the rate of DILR. I hope you are clear about this, what exactly is CAT at the rate of DILR. It's not about just few questions given in your, any book, because CAT has never repeated any question. And every time they come up with a new set of concepts, right? Actually, the concepts remain same, but the context changes, right? For example, I given you, the example of car parking is very similar to the example of hotel reservation. बोलो भाई 2020 का क्वेश्चन है ना कैट का, right? So concepts are same, but the context changes. And if in day-to-day life you are observing the context and you are relating it to different concepts, it will be easier for you. I will give you the list of concepts, what all are usually covered and what all you need to cover when you are preparing for CAT. But when we are solving questions, we are not solving questions. We are developing approach to solve the question. Are you understanding? So you try to understand the concept behind that and try to understand the approach to solve that question. For example, if we say, the hotel example, there we say, my objective is to keep my space properly utilized. I don't want any unutilized spaces, right? I don't want any unutilized space, because for me, that is going to be a dead space. That is not productive space. So my objective should be to utilize a space. Now there can be complications to that. How that complication he will put it? Okay, if there are 3 people coming for a dinner, right, to your hotel, so you have 2 choices. Either you give 4 seats to that person, or you give a table of 2 and attach 1 seat to that person. 5 लोग आ गए तो आपके पास 4 वाला टेबल है या 6 वाला टेबल है. So what you can do is you can have 4 people sitting and attach 1 more chair on the same table. Or you get, waste 1 chair in the table of 6. Are you understanding it? So that is the next level of complication within the same thing. And third level of complication is, have you ever seen, people putting reserved board there? There are some tables वहाँ पे वो पहले से लिखा होता है, कोई reserve होता है, पता नहीं होता है, but they usually put reserved on that. And many a times you will find that table which is reserved is one of the largest table there. Why? Because they don't want that table to get booked at any cost for 2 people or 3 people, right? Because in case any group comes, that group means a big order. That is equivalent to so many small orders. Are you understanding? So this is what we call it as approach to solve the question. Now 9-month study plan and everything I'm going to talk about in the coming slides. So these are the broadly topics, guys. You can take the screenshot or you can note it down. First of all, DI should not be thought in the terms of table chart, pie chart, ये chart, right? वो तो उस data को represent करने के तरीके हैं. Actual DI has 2 basic type of calculation. First is the based on percentages, another is the based on averages. But if we see our CAT DI, every year I get 1 or 2 core DI sets, right? Though this was 50% few years back, 50% DI, 50% LR, but these days, last 3-4 years, my boys and girls, there is only 1 or 2, but yes, definitely you get 1 or 2 core DI set, which is purely based on table, pi, bar, line, or anything, but the background logic remains either percentages or averages, right? चाहे वो आपका किसी भी फॉर्म में दे दिया जाए आपको, right? Now what happens is he may not give you core DI, pure DI. What he does is he gives a tadka of some LR concepts. क्वेश्चन DI क्या, बीच में थोड़ा सा उसमें LR घुसा दिया. 2018 में 2017 का एक आपका जो वेन डायग्राम का मल्टीपल वेन डायग्राम सेट आया था वो, राइट? That was more or less of percentages, but there was some deductive logic involved in it. In fact, 2019 also there was a spider graph in that it was percentages question, but thoda sa usme deductive logic laga hua tha, right? So that's how it becomes difficult for you. Now, calculation based, there are 4 more topics, beta: numeric logic, binary logic, then games, puzzles, tournaments, Venn diagram, arrangements. There can be a simple arrangement, there can be a multiple arrangement, there can be a condition based arrangement, then sequencing, ordering, simple, complex, critical path questions. A goes to B, B to C, then you have this much speed from A to B, and then this much of number of cars. We have a question in 2016 CAT where how many cars can travel on that path, and if the number of cars increase, then your speed goes down. That was really a stupid question. In fact, even after CAT, it took me half an hour to understand what it really wants to say, right? Well, I don't know if anybody would have solved that question in actual CAT, but to be very honest with you, it took me half an hour to understand कि यार इसका करें क्या क्वेश्चन का, right? पेपर के अंदर कर पाना भाई पता नहीं, right? Critical path questions are again very important. Earlier these were very simple, right? जो 5, 6, 7, 8 साल पहले क्वेश्चन आए थे, but this time last 2 years जो critical path के questions आए हैं, slightly difficult. Venn diagram minima maxima is now very favorite, right? अभी तो 4 वाला वेन डायग्राम भी आया, आपने देखा होगा 2020 के मॉर्निंग स्लॉट में आया था, 4 वाला वेन डायग्राम आया. सो बट वेन डायग्राम एक ऐसी चीज है, इट्स लाइक आलू, राइट? यू कैन नॉट हैव योर मेनू कंप्लीटेड विदाउट आलू, राइट? ये आएगा ही आएगा, ठीक हो गया? किसी ना किसी और फॉर्म में आएगा, घूम के आएगा, फिर के आएगा. पिछले 5 सालों के हर सेट में वी सी एटलीस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन ऑफ वेन डायग्राम, राइट? हाँ, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि सारे सॉल्वेबल और आते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि 2 साल पहले एक आया था, वो काफी गंदा था. और वेन डायग्राम इज माय फेवरेट टॉपिक, और मैं बहुत मुश्किल से छोड़ता हूँ इसको, क्योंकि देखने से लगता नहीं होता कि ये हलवा क्वेश्चन है, और अगर आप पकड़ लेते हैं तो आप छोड़ नहीं पाते, और जब छोड़ नहीं पाते तो टाइम खत्म हो जाता है. तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू नॉट चूज वेन डायग्राम एज माई फर्स्ट सेट, बिकॉज दिस इज माई फेवरेट topic among all the topics. Still I do it at last, right? I try doing it at last. पर कई बार होता है कि चल कुछ नहीं, अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एक साल नहीं भी 99.99 आएगी तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, right? ठीक है, पर फिर बाद में समझ में आता है चल छोड़ो यार, दिल पे नहीं लेते हैं. Okay, cuboid, and this again is is something which you always get a question, right? Not necessarily in all the sets, but yes, every year 1 question is based on the geometrical imagination of the figures, right? Your imagination. It may be based on the height of the building, it may be based on the godowns as it was there in 2013 CAT, it may be based on the filling the numbers, it was there in 2018 CAT. So there is always a question on cuboid, square sets, right? And then tournament, whether it is number of matches or ties of the matches, or what do you say, this round robin or knockout, any type of tournament, you always get question on this. And the last, but not the least, is scheduling and operation. ये जो burger वाला हमने बात किया, right? ये जो हमने car parking वाले क्वेश्चनों की बात की, ये all these questions comes under scheduling and operations, right? So guys, this is the broad syllabus, though there is no book which tells you these topics in this detail, right? But I've tried it, putting it in a structured format so you can do preparation. And I have made 16 videos on YouTube, catering to each one of these topics in detail. 1.5 घंटे के video lectures, and please do watch again and again so that your concepts are in place for these things and you are ready to practice any number of questions. Now, can you see this question, guys? This is a question of real CAT, and it was simply a question of deductive logic, where you have few variables on left side and few variables on the top, and columns and rows में टिक टिक करके काम खत्म हो जाना था. ठीक हो गया? बहुत मुश्किल नहीं था, but yes, it requires silence, a lot of silence here. It requires a lot of focus, but at the same time, it was a doable set, right? So this type of question, when it comes in, you read the question, you try to understand, अरे यार क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें, देखना है कौन सा बंदा क्या कर रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है, right? When it comes, this type of set, this is very favorite of mine because I enjoy doing this set in the examination, right? क्योंकि इसमें क्या दिया हुआ था, revenue left side पे दिया था, cost बाद में दिया था, right? Can you see the bottom? और जब हमने देखा बहुत सारे बच्चे यही घपला कर रहा है, राइट? बहुत सारे लोग ये घपला कर रहे हैं, इसको वो कॉस्ट समझ गए, इसको वो रेवेन्यू समझ गए, देखा ही नहीं उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं, क्योंकि जो डाटा दिया हुआ था उसमें पहले कॉस्ट बाद में रेवेन्यू लिखा हुआ था, राइट? और ये सिंपल आपका जो परसेंटेजेस कैलकुलेट करके एक वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी थी जो कि आपकी माइनस करके आनी थी, रेस्ट ऑल वैल्यूज वर सॉल्वेबल. बट दिस वाज अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच मिक्स्ड DI plus LR. So what we call it is DI based LR or LR based DI, whatever you want to say it, okay? Or you want to say DILR. This is a new thing which has CAT come up with in recent years. ठीक हो गया? 5 years before, you will see questions which are purely grid based questions purely DI or L questions, right? But this new type of question where you have a deduction as well as calculation, this has appeared recently in last 4 or 5 years, right? Because they want to break the monotony. So whatever is the old material you have, right, it is totally irrelevant. No doubt that helps in building your basic concepts, but not to get a very high percentile, right? So let's go ahead, guys, and see this one more thing. So when we say DI based on LR or quant, there are some logic, there are some tricks which are involved. Like last year, there was a question which involved knowledge of time, speed, distance, but you don't need very deep knowledge. Whenever any quant topic is used in DILR, it is to some extent. Like I'll tell you, there was a question on the squares and cubes. It requires some knowledge of permutation and combination, but that knowledge of permutation combination is not a very detailed knowledge of permutation and combination. Just basic, if you know NPR, NCR, basic formulas, basic type of question, you are done with it, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बहुत डिटेल में कुछ चाहिए होगा भैया तभी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, okay? And it is very much related to what is happening in the country. मैंने पहले ही अपने बच्चों को बताया था कि यार कोरोना की वैक्सीन की टेस्टिंग के ऊपर, सैंपल टेस्टिंग के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा, और आया इस बार, राइट? बिकॉज वट एवर इज बिकमिंग सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि यार वो उसको कंसिडरेशन ना दे और उस पर क्वेश्चन ना बनाए, राइट? Okay, so what can be your 9 months plan for cracking CAT? So now it is 8 months, so 4 months, 120 days, 3 sets a day for DI, 3 sets a day for LR. It's more than enough, right? Including all. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने क्लास अलग कर ली, ये अलग कर ली, total, this is total 6 sets a day, more than enough, boys and girls, right? But these should be of level 1. Please don't try to do difficult sets for first 4 months, right? The sets which you are able to comprehend and which helps you make your concepts stronger. I'm not saying you should be able to solve real CAT questions. No, I'm saying, right, you should be able to understand the concept. Venn diagram के वो क्वेश्चन करने हैं जो हो पा रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने गंदे वाला सेट उठा लिया और फिर डीमोटिवेट होकर बैठ गए. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपको लगता है कि यार आप लास्ट 1 month रख लीजिए प्रीवियस ईयर कैट करने के लिए, मतलब ये 4 महीने हैं, इसमें से You keep 3 months for this thing and 1 month for practicing the previous year CAT questions. हर रोज एक CAT का पेपर उठा लीजिए, 1 महीने में सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे. CAT, ZAT, SNAP, IFT सब खत्म हो जाएगा. 30 से ज्यादा है नहीं है. Okay? Then next 4 months, I always advise people to appear for mock and see how could you have strategized your appearing of the CAT question. Right? किसी माई के लाल में दम नहीं है अभी कि वो 6 के 6 सेट करके दिखा. नहीं हो सकते. ठीक हो गया? ठीक हो गया ना? किसी के नहीं हुए हैं.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about that. Nobody has ever done it, right? So you are not supposed to do. If there are 6 sets, even if you are able to do 2 sets correct, your percentile will be somewhere 98, 99. It means time given is less and the difficulty level is high, so their selection of questions become the main thing, right? There comes into picture my rule which I always say. अभी कोई बोल भी रहा था कि सर नॉन कन्वेंशनल चीजें बताते हैं. 2-6-2 थिंग. 2 मिनट क्वेश्चन देखने के, समझने के, पकड़ में आया तो भैया यस है, नहीं तो जाने दो. राइट? लेट इट गो. जाओ भाई. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप कैट में आए, हमारा मान बढ़ाया. राइट? हमने आपके दर्शन किए, आपके दर्शन करके हम धन्य हो गए. पर आप महान हैं, हमारी पहुंच से बाहर हैं. प्लीज कृपया प्रस्थान करें. पर बंदे ऐसा नहीं करते. वो कहते हैं अच्छा क्वेश्चन ये तो है, 8 महीने स्टडी की हमने, मजाक नहीं है, 40 मॉक दिए हैं, तू बैठ इधर. फिर भाई उसको भी वो आ जाती है कि आजा बैठ जाओ. बैठे रहते हैं, 2 गल्ला करिए, 2 गल्ला करते रहते हैं, इतने में टाइम खत्म हो जाता है. क्वांट शुरू हो जाता है. अरे क्वांट शुरू हो गया. बाकी पीछे वाले सेट बोलते रहते हैं हम भी हैं, हम भी थे, हम भी बारात में आए थे. राइट? So everyone leaves 50% of the sets without even seeing those sets. Right? So what I advise is 2 minutes. अगर वो पकड़ में नहीं आ रहा है छोड़ दो. हाँ, अगर आपको लग रहा है अरे भैया ये तो वही है, किया हुआ है, हमें समझ आता है, I know it. 6 minutes. If it is not done in 6 minutes, leave it. क्यों? क्योंकि ये भेष बदल के आया है. आपको लग रहा था आपका दोस्त है, पर आपका दोस्त नहीं था. तो इसको वेटिंग रूम में बिठाइए. ठीक है? सीधा मुलाकात मत कीजिए, क्योंकि आपको शक हो गया ना, ये आपकी बात नहीं मान रहा है, मुद्दे की बात पे नहीं आया, आंसर नहीं आया आपका. आस्क हिम टू वेट, देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ यू आर डन विद इट. नाउ यू इनवाइट पीपल हु आर इन द वेटिंग रूम. गिव देम 2 more minutes. आर यू मेकिंग एनी प्रोग्रेस? इफ यस, गो अहेड. इफ यू आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी प्रोग्रेस, बोलो साहब आज बिजी हैं हम, अगले साल मिलेंगे सर. Right? See you tomorrow. Right? And in this process, out of 6, even if you are able to meet 2 people and you are able to crack a deal, you are a winner. Right? You need not solve all the 6 sets. So that is my advice, guys. So what next? Yeah, this is it. Now your questions. अब आपके क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है? अभी समझ में आया जो मैंने बताया? This is from the mentor's perspective. This is not from the perspective of misguiding you. ये होता है, ये होता, कुछ नहीं होता भाई. जो मैंने बताया है that is 100% शुद्ध सत्य है. वो उसमें कुछ डरने वाली बात है नहीं. Don't try to squeeze this DILR, right? It is bit hard and the time is less. आपको मैं 5 घंटे दे दूं, आप सब लोग कर देंगे सारे सेट. जी पूर्वी.
Well, how do we master the concepts of percentages and ratios and everything?
See, there are 2 ways, to master the concept. CAT exam कौन सा CAT है ना?
Yes, sir.
So CAT.
Huh? Yes, sir. CAT.
C means concepts. First, you should know what the concept is in your own understanding, not in the understanding of the book. In your own words. खरबूजा कटेगा, सब में बटेगा. देखिए, आपने वीडियो देखिए? हाँ. जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. If kabutar is added to kabutar, kabutar remains
Kabutar.
तो अपनी भाषा में आपको कॉन्सेप्ट को जानना है कि भाई दिस इज व्हाट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट सेज, राइट? Book says if you add a number to any given set of numbers and if there is a difference of that number, that difference will be divided among the whole set of the numbers, right? Yes, no, this is the average concept, no? Now this first stage is knowing the concept, right? Now second stage is being able to apply it, that you do questions. So when you are applying that, you may come across 50 questions, let us say, from any book, right? So out of that 50 question, you may be able to do 30, 35, 40. Be happy with 40 applications. 10 that you are not able to apply, it may have some layering, it may have some twisting. Then after you are able to apply 40, take those 10 questions and try to understand why you are not able to apply your concept, right? Is there any twisting there? Is there any, change there? Is there any additional information you require? Or is there layering of some concept? It may be a question of ratio proportion, but it may also require some knowledge of percentages, right? So those questions you need to pick it up. And the third level goes is testing. Take real CAT level questions, right? And try to appear those questions. If you are able to do 50% of the question, अगर आप 50% questions भी कर पा रहे हैं, it means you are good. Because in actual CAT, you to get 90 percentile, you just need to solve 1/3 of the questions, right? And बहुत बार बेटा क्या होता है, जो मार्केट में लोग हैं वो गंदे क्वेश्चन बना के मार्केट में फेंक देते हैं, जो ना तो कैट में आने हैं ना कोई सॉल्व कर सकता है, बट दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस, दे आर वेरी इंप्रेसिव क्वेश्चंस, राइट? बट दे डजंट बिलोंग टू रियल लाइफ, राइट? वो नहीं है, किसी भी पेपर में नहीं है. अगर आप पिछले 15 सालों का 20 सालों का कैट का पेपर उठाएंगे, वो देखेंगे, आपको समझ में आएगा यार इतना गंदा तो कभी भी नहीं आया क्वेश्चन जो इसने बना के दे दिया है मेरे को, राइट? ये क्वेश्चन सिर्फ उन लोगों के लिए होते हैं जिनका मैथ्स बहुत अच्छा है. सपोज करो भाई मेरे पास एक बंदा आ गया कोचिंग करने के लिए, ही इज वेरी गुड एट मैथमेटिक्स. अब मैं उसको बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बताऊंगा, वो कहेगा अबे क्या है ये, आई नो ऑल दिस. तो व्हाट आई डू इज टू pacify his ego, I give him this question, जा ले बेटा कर ला, राइट? वो टक्करे मारता रहता और खुश होता रहता, राइट? बट दैट इज नो रेलेवेंस टू रियल कैट, एंड स्पेशली इफ यू आर अ वीक स्टूडेंट, राइट? नाउ if you are at a 90 percentile, that is a one step of. For 90 percentile beta, you need to do 1/3 of the questions. For 98 percentile, you need just half of the questions. For 99 point something, you need 2/3 of the questions. If you really want to get into 99.99, then you may need 80 or 3/4 of the question, not beyond that, right? So if you are struggling with quant, don't think of, doing 3/4 of the question. Just think of stage 1, level 1. वीडियो गेम खेली है ना, तो वीडियो गेम में क्या होता है, लेवल बाय लेवल जाते हैं. यू क्रॉस फर्स्ट लेवल, देन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग सेकंड लेवल, देन व्हेन यू अगेन स्टार्ट द गेम यू से नहीं, लेवल 1 आई एम क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल, राइट? लेट मी नाउ प्रैक्टिस लेवल 2. या ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Yes sir, so is there any specific book which you will refer us to practice from there?
For DILR?
Yes sir.
You have to wait 1 or 2 months.
Okay sir.
I am writing one.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Right, because
Yes.
what I have found is the existing some of the books are not able to do justice to what is required in CAT these days. So I'm trying to come up with a book, and we'll soon, before CAT, you will get a very good version.
Yeah, thank you sir. That would be very grateful
Yeah.
for us.
Right. Next. In the meantime, you can watch my all the videos for clarifying your concepts, and you can very well practice previous year questions. They are available everywhere. Right, Joy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next question.
सर इनिशियल डेज में कैसे प्रिपेयर करें, लाइक जब कॉन्सेप्ट वीक है इनिशियल में कितना टाइम लें?
देखो बेटा, मोटा मोटा अगर हमारे पास 8 महीने हैं तो आई वुड से 2 months to finish all your concepts. Next 2 months to probably work on the application part. Try to finish the, what we say, your questions, which question types. And the next 2 months, I would say, do your mock test and sectional test. And last, your 2 months or 1.5 months is for strategy making. उस समय मॉक नहीं देते हैं, मॉक पहले हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद तो स्ट्रैटेजी बनती है. स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे बनती है बेटा? फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर वर्किंग for CAT, quant. So quant, your score is not improving even after 5 mocks, 7 mocks. Then you do the analysis, and then for 1 week, you do some experimentation, right? Then you try, increasing attempt, increasing accuracy. मतलब बहुत सारे permutation combination चलते हैं, right? So that is what we call it as strategy making, where you come up with a final strategy. कि यार बहुत गंदा पेपर आ गया तो क्या करूंगा? पेपर तुम्हें बता के तो आएगा नहीं. Only consistent thing for CAT is it is inconsistent. ठीक है ना? The best thing about CAT is you always get surprises. There is no surprise about it that CAT will surprise you. Why? Because you need to understand the psychology. अब कंपनी है भाई, तुम 2 कंपनी हो, अंकित भैया की एक कंपनी है, तुम्हारी दूसरी कंपनी है. अब तुमने अपना नया प्रोडक्ट बना लिया, अब तुमने लॉन्च करना है. तुम अंकित भैया को बोलोगे ना पहले, भाई 1 महीने बाद मैं प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ, तैयार हो जा. एप्पल विल कॉल, नो, सैमसंग, क्या वी आर नाउ लॉन्चिंग द न्यू वर्जन, यू बी रेडी, हमारी R&D हमने शुरू कर दी है. इट विल कम एज ए सरप्राइज टू यू, एंड दैट्स वेयर मैनेजमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. अगर पहले कोरोना बता देता भाई 6 महीने बाद कोरोना आएगा, रेडी हो जाओ. Right? No, this doesn't happen. Life comes with surprises. Things don't go the way you want them to go, and that's why you need management, right? You don't want things, the way it happens. So they check how you work under pressure, right? It's a team. You are playing against some team, and you have not expected that your first 2 batsmen will go down on a duck, right? So how do you react then? Right? You cannot say, you cannot keep blaming this. Yeah. Next.
So can I speak?
Yeah, Purvi.
Sir, I'm actually studying from your concept videos on YouTube. Sir, I wanted to ask if those are sufficient to prepare, or should I have to consider books or other books?
How much preparation a person needs, it's very much individualistic. See, I do run 2 batches myself, right? One is a free batch, which is on YouTube, where I put videos. Last year, I put videos on concepts and fundamentals. This year, I'm going to put videos on application, right? Next level wala videos put karo. At the same time, I run a batch with the name of Soho 100, where I take 100 students only and mentor them for 8 months. Now, how much level of practice and focus you need, it depends on 3 factors primarily. One thing is what is the current level. Second is where you want to go, right? Somebody would say, okay, yaar, I'm happy with even new IIMs, right? मेरी भैया मेरे को नया IIM भी मिल जाएगा, हम नाचेंगे, right? कोई कहेगा नहीं sir, I just want to get into Blackis, or I want to get into FMS or something like that. अब वो कितना सही है कितना गलत है, वो मतलब उसके लिए कोई फिक्स क्राइटेरिया नहीं है. बट यस, अ ट्रू मेंटर कैन हेल्प यू फर्स्ट जजिंग योर राइट पोटेंशियल, राइट? इसीलिए मैं डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट लेता हूं, राइट? क्योंकि अगर पहले दिन आप 42 स्कोर कर रहे हैं मेरे 50 नंबर के एग्जाम में, यस यू डिजर्व टू, यू कैन मेक इट टू IIMs, इवन ABC. बट अगर आपके भाई नंबर ही 11 आए हैं, राइट, तो मैं आपका ओरिएंटेशन सेट करता हूं कि बेटा इफ यू इवन गेट इनटू अ न्यू IIMs, इट शुड बी अ सक्सेस फॉर यू, राइट? या आप एक्सप्लेन करो कि भाई इतने कम क्यों आए हैं, राइट? सो वंस यू रियलाइज दैट गैप, देन यू मेक अ प्लान टू वर्क ऑन दैट गैप. गॉट इट? अब वो कितना चाहिए, दैट वेरीज, राइट? देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स जो मेरे जैसे 100 बच्चे, उसमें से मैं एंड पे जाके उनको 2 कैटेगरीज में डिफाइन कर देता हूँ. कुछ लोग हैं जिनको मैं बोलता हूँ कि भाई जो मैं 30 मॉक्स दे रहा हूँ यही करने हैं, बस बहुत हैं तेरे लिए, राइट? एंड देयर आर मेनी to whom I say no, you join one more test series which is not which is not delivered my way. But अगर दूसरा बंदा वो वाली करेगा तो बर्बाद हो जाएगा, क्योंकि पहले ही उसके नंबर 15 आ रहे हैं और एक टेस्ट सीरीज का बर्डन और आ गया. टेस्ट सीरीज तो 5 ले लो, पर उससे आउटपुट भी तो आना चाहिए ना कुछ, राइट? सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन टू पर्सन. देयर कैन नॉट बी यूनिक आंसर. ये इसीलिए मेरे को बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, यूट्यूब पे कोई भी बंदा वीडियो डाल देता है 40 मॉक दे दो और तुम्हारा कैट क्लियर. somebody would how to crack cat in 10 minutes. 10 मिनट की वीडियो में बता देते हैं IIM कैसे. भाई इतना आसान है तो है ना. See, if you have to move, definitely if somebody is from an IIT, somebody is from IIT Delhi or Sri Ram College of Commerce with 98% marks in 12th, it may be a cakewalk for that person. He may not require even any bloody coaching, any bloody guidance. वो खुद अपने आप में guidance है यार. 11 लाख लोगों में से 1000 बंदे जाते हैं IIT दिल्ली. तो अगर वो बंदा IIT दिल्ली पहुंच गया है, उसने NTSC भी किया होगा, 10th 12th में कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर हो गए, मैथ्स भी थोड़ा होगा, 2 साल उसने कोटा में घिसाई भी की होगी, तो जाके उसको वहां मिला होगा, और 4 साल वहां जाके उसने घिसाई की होगी. ठीक है, तो उस बंदे की प्रिपरेशन अलग होगी. अब एक बंदा है जिसने 10th में कुछ नहीं किया, जस्ट पास हुआ है, 12th में फिर वो यारों दोस्तों के साथ ऐशी की है, ग्रेजुएशन मतलब झंडू कॉलेज से की है, बस फाइनल ईयर में दोस्तों ने बता दिया चलो कैट करते हैं. अब वो बंदा कहता है मेरे को आई सर वांट टू गो टू ओनली IIM अहमदाबाद, नथिंग एल्स, राइट? भाई तुम कैसे जाओगे? ठीक है ना. अंकित सिंह कैन ऑल्सो से आई वांट टू मैरी आलिया भट्ट, बट आलिया भट्ट भी तो राजी होनी चाहिए. मतलब आप तो IIM अहमदाबाद जाना चाहते हैं, IIM अहमदाबाद भी तो इनवाइट करे ना आपको, भाई आजा. So it is kind of a level making. Are you getting it? So it is, I'm not saying that is not possible. Yes, it is possible. Ankit Singh can get, better than Alia Bhatt also, right? But it will take time to come to a level where we'll say, nahi yaar, Alia Walia level pe nahi, I need somebody intelligent. Right? I need somebody of my level. Oh, film star to choti level baat hoती. I need somebody, right?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
It all depends. If Elon Musk has to find a spouse, he will not be, that. Chalo. Okay. Next question.
Hello, sir. Can I speak?
Yes, beta.
Sir, my question is that, as you said in your previous slides, that we have to solve with three DI sets and 3 LR sets on a daily basis. So from where should we start? Means you also talked about that there should be a level 1. फिर उसको clear करने के बाद we'll go to level 2. तो first कहाँ से मतलब शुरुआत कैसी हो?
Question. अभी कोई भी book ले लो, standard book जो आता है, right? Take that book, do the level 1s from that book. That book may contain previous year, may not contain previous year, but I will advise to avoid previous year at the first go. Just do the level 1 questions from. अगर आप कोई institute join कर रहे हैं, so they will give you the study material. उनका जो level 1 है, that is the material, right? Because whenever I just, let us say I teach Venn diagram. So after that, I give them 50 questions of Venn diagram of level 1. So that's more than enough, right? So that's more than enough. That's done. Then we do critical reasoning, or critical path. So I again give you 50 questions of critical path. So that on an average makes 6 to 7 sets per 6 sets per day. Right? You have plenty of books, you have plenty of sets available on net. But when we go to level 2, right? When we go to level 2, there you must do right level of sets. Doing it too difficult or too easy won't serve the purpose. Right? You can do them for understanding concepts. Right? Yes, no? But they may not appear in CAT, and don't judge your preparation by solving a unsolvable set. ठीक है ना, मतलब आपका प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छा है, पर आपने पंगा है कि यार बड़े गंदे सेट के साथ ले लिया, तो यू मे एंड अप कंक्लूडिंग कि भाई मेरी तो तैयारी ही नहीं है. So that's why I said, of your level. Next.
सर
Yeah.
सर DILR वाला पार्ट ठीक है सर, वो समझ में
हाँ,
आ गया.
हाँ.
सर मैं पूछ रहा था सर, अभी जैसे 8 मंथ है टोटल फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू नवंबर इफ यू कैलकुलेट, सर इसमें हम अपनी प्रिपरेशन किस फेजेस में डिवाइड करें, मतलब कैसे फेज 1 में ये करना चाहिए और कितने फेजेस में डिवाइड करनी चाहिए प्रिपरेशन. सर थोड़ा ये कंफ्यूजन है. और सर दूसरा ये है कि सर क्वांट के लिए और थोड़ी सर VARC के लिए बिगिनिंग स्टेप्स क्या होने चाहिए. सर मैंने अभी मतलब स्टार्ट नहीं करी अपनी प्रिपरेशन.
देखो, पहली चीज तो ये है कि जो आपने बोला, मैंने अभी phases, I divide it usually into 4 phases. 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, right? 2 months for concepts. Concepts में अब क्या है, जैसे सपोज करो quant है, so there is arithmetic, there is advanced maths, right? Arithmetic has 5-6 topics, right? Each of the topic takes approximately 1 week or 1.5 week, right? At the
Each
same
topic
time,
of arithmetic.
yeah, each topic of that should not take more than that.
Okay.
To basic concepts. For example, ratio proportion, I have 4 videos. So you can watch maybe it in 2 days or 4 days maximum. So total videos of let us say quant maybe 60. So 1 video a day will do your basic concepts. Where you know what is the Polanyi's theorem, right? When it is used. Where you know what do we mean by permutation? What do you mean by combination? Where do you know what do you mean by combining of ratio, right? How to calculate the area of the path. So these are the basic things that you should know in 2.5 months. It may take 3 months also, right?
All right.
Right. Then you, for next 2 months, you are doing higher level of that thing. No, I know ratio proportion, but I don't know how to solve this particular type of question, which is this lengthy, right? Not all the lengthy question, maybe 50 questions of level 1 and 25 questions of level 2. Then you are ready for appearing for CAT. Appearing for CAT mocks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then say third phase would be of mocks and
fourth
other
phase
things.
will be of strategy.
All right.
Right. You can, strategy phase can be reduced to 1 month or it can be 15 days, depending on how much time you have. Right. Like there may be some people, they may not need any time in concept. They say, no, we know everything. They directly jump to questions and they may take only 1 month to revise all the questions. Right. And they may take just 1 month for, so it varies from person to person. But for an average student, this is the structure. Yeah, Mohammad Jalis.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So this is Shreyansh over here. So I just want to ask one thing regarding the DILR. So specifically, when I gave CAT CAT during my previous time, so I just felt that when I was solving that particular set, I was feeling anxious. While if I'm not able to do that particular set, then I was like feeling anxious whether I should move ahead to the next set or whether I should solve it completely.
Cricket खेलते हो
What would
cricket?
be your strategy regarding that, sir? Because it was really hampering my time management system and when I was actually solving the paper.
Cricket खेलते हो?
So no, sir, I play tennis.
Tennis खेलते हो, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो tennis में when you do service, right? तो ace होता है ना, ace.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Ace means?
Ace means when the receiver cannot receive the service at all.
So, but all the balls may not end up being your ace. Right? You try making it, but you cannot make everyone, making it an ace. कि भाई सामने वाला कुछ उठा ही ना पाए. होता है ऐसा?
नहीं सर.
मतलब आप कर रहे हैं तो यू ट्राई कि आपका एस हो जाए, बट कभी कभी तो वो हर बार तो नहीं होता है ना वो एस. सेम वे when question comes in, it will not be possible that all the question you are not able to do. Yes, there will be questions like ace which are difficult to pick.
Yes, sir. Some very complex LR based DI I'm talking
There is a strategy 262. 2 minutes if you are not able to do it, leave it.
Okay.
Next. 2 minutes, next. It may happen after 10 minutes you have gone through the whole paper, and you are at 0 question, right? But at least you have seen all the questions. Now you know, okay, that one was still something, 5%, 10% I could understand. Let me go back to that question, right? So when you are leaving it, you mark it कि भाई ये totally गधा है या 50-50 गधा है. So when you come back, you come to 50-50. जो totally गधा है उसको तो भूल ही जाओ यार, ये तो बिल्कुल ही ऊपर से bouncer है, right? Yeah. Next.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. सर हमने अर्जुन सर में सर LOD1 स्टार्ट किया लगाना, लेकिन सर सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहे क्वेश्चंस.
ऐसा है कि जिम में जब जाते हैं ना, तो अगर हम खुद से ही वेट उठा के करना शुरू कर दें तो कई बार वो काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव हो जाता है.
यस सर.
आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट?
यस सर.
सो मेनी टाइम्स यू नीड, यू नो, इट्स लाइक आप जिम में भी क्यों जा रहे हो, ईटी ले लो, टेक अप ब्रिक्स एंड डू दिस डंबलिंग. नो, दैट मे गिव रिजल्ट समटाइम्स, but you don't know how much to do and when to do and what to be supplemented with that, right? Because you know, you have not evaluated yourself.
Yes sir.
As I told to the earlier candidate also, you may be at a different level.
Yes.
So that if you are at a very beginner's level, you are not able to do it, so probably you need a beginner's course before going to LOD1. Right?
Sir, yes, sir.
If you are good at it, maybe you can move directly to LOD2. Don't waste time on LOD1. And
Okay.
LOD1 and 2 may not be that relevant to you as it may be to somebody else.
Yes, sir.
तो मतलब वो ज्यादा उसके अंदर ना हम बहुत ज्यादा हम उसके अंदर इनग्रेन नहीं होते हैं. और अपना इवेल्युएट करो, ट्राई करो, होगा. It takes time. I don't know how much practice you have done before going to LOD1.
सर प्रैक्टिस, सर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहे हैं सर, प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं हो पा रही.
उसके पहले बेसिक.
सर बेसिक्स वही कहाँ से मतलब करें वही.
That you have to see that this is how, you know, when you go to a gym, so they first 2 days they tell you to do running. They don't give you weight, right? And then the next day they say, okay, now do cycling. Then their base is built up.
Yes.
So that way, when you will join any institute, they will give you basic study material, level-wise study material, right?
Okay.
So there you do first few practices, you try, you understand, okay, I am comfortable with this, I am not comfortable with this, this is too easy. These 3 things can happen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Depending on that, you increase or decrease the dose.
Okay.
And ultimately you reach that level, level 1, level 2, level 3.
Okay. सर अभी मॉक लगाने कोई वो नहीं है ना, मतलब अभी आप पहले कुछ बोलते हैं कि मॉक
करता है यार. मतलब मैं पिछले साल दे चुका हूं, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी कर चुका हूं. लगाओ मॉक, लगाओ सीधे, क्यों नहीं लगाओगे? It varies from person to person. There is no journal advice available, and the journal advice available are very dangerous. लोग बोलते 40 मॉक लगाओ. अरे यार 50 मॉक लगा के होगा क्या? फ्रस्ट्रेशन आएगी, 2 मॉक के बाद दुखी हो जाओगे, स्कोर तो आएगा नहीं, और अगर आ गया तो फिर लगाने की जरूरत क्या है?
Yes, sir.
अगर आपका पहले मॉक में 99 आ जाए भाई, फिर 10 मॉक क्यों देने हैं यार?
Yes.
और अगर नहीं आया तो हौसला कहां से लाओगे दूसरा मॉक देने का? कितना बेइज्जती फील करोगे, बेशरम, कितने बेशरम बनोगे? बड़ा मुश्किल है. 2 मॉक दे के देखो, नंबर नहीं आया, तीसरा मॉक देने का हौसला ही नहीं पड़ता बंदे का.
Yes,
बंदा
sir.
बनना तो है नहीं, क्वेश्चन तो सॉल्व नहीं होने, क्या करूं मॉक देके, राइट?
Yes, sir.
मॉक के बाद जब बंदा सॉल्यूशन देखता है, सॉल्यूशन देख के भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या किया है.
Yes.
So what is the use of appearing for mocks? You have to go structured way.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Next.
Hello.
I think we have met earlier also, nahi, Mohammad Jalis? आपको
Sir.
कुछ लिखा हुआ है?
Yes sir, you took my interview on Sobo 100.
हाँ, मेरे को लग रहा था कि मैंने यार कहीं देखा है तुम्हें। चलो, तन्मय पांडे।
सर आपने बोला वो 2 घंटे मतलब देने पड़ेंगे पहले, हाँ सॉरी 2 मिनट पहले रीडिंग का देना पड़ेगा, बट 2 मिनट थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? क्योंकि अगर आप 4 to 5 सेट्स हैं तो ऑलमोस्ट आप 1/4 ऑफ द टाइम रीडिंग में ही निकाल रहे हो अगर 40 मिनट्स का देखें।
एक तो अच्छी बात है कि तुम्हारा नाम मेरे 2 स्टूडेंट्स के नाम पे है, एक तन्मय था, एक पांडे जी थे, ठीक है, तुम्हारा दोनों ही हो गया, तन्मय पांडे हो गया। अच्छा, दूसरा चीज मेरा बच्चा ये है कि DILR में अगर तुमने 1/4 टाइम दे भी दिया, उसके बाद 15-15 मिनट में 2 सेट कर लिए, ठीक है, ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा 99 परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा। 90% लोगों ने एक भी सेट सॉल्व नहीं किया। ये पिछले कैट 2015 का डाटा है, 2020 का डाटा है। 90% of the people were not able to solve even one full set in 40 minutes. क्यों? Because they spent wasted time on 2 or 3 sets. इतने 30 मार्क हम नहीं हैं, और ना ही कैट का पेपर इतना आसान है कि आप 1 आधे मिनट में देख के डिसाइड कर पाए कि ये पूरा सेट करना है। 1 मिनट तो पढ़ने में ही लग जाएगा ना, फिर उसको कुछ बनाओगे भी, कुछ लिखोगे भी।
मतलब ऊपर से देख लें सब,
ऊपर से देख के बनाना भी तो होता है ना थोड़ा थोड़ा, कि क्या चीज बन रही है क्या नहीं बन रही है। ठीक है, तुमने 2020 दिया लगता है।
हाँ यस सर।
हाँ, लिखा रहा है, तुम्हारी शक्ल पे लिखा है कि कैट परेशान किए हुए हो, सताए हुए हो तुम कैट 2020 के।
DLR तो तब भी अच्छा था, 90 आ गया था उसमें विदाउट प्रिपरेशन।
अरे यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। This is the biggest problem, people make mistake. 90 is not good. 90 means your score was just 10, 15, 20. 20 तो ज्यादा बोल रहा हूं मैं। DILR 90 percentile means what? क्या स्कोर आया?
सर था 20 प्लस था सर।
20 प्लस तो नहीं होगा यार, आई डाउट।
एग्जैक्टली तो नहीं रिमेम्बर कर रहा। आई गेस
14 से 15 के बीच में लाई करेगा।
15 के बीच में लाई करेगा, एग्जैक्टली।
उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा।
उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा। कैट 2020 was pathetic. One set means 90 percentile. That I am very sure.
मैंने वही 7 to 8 अटेम्प्ट किए थे, एक गलत हुआ था।
हाँ ठीक है, तो मतलब देखो, you could have, last year my score in DI was 64. 65.
कैसे?
Right. This year also it was, 29, 20, 30. Right? No, maybe 34. I don't remember. It was somewhere. So in quant, I scored 93. So when you are good at something, you cross 2/3 mark. आपने सुना ना मेरा discussion?
Yes, sir.
Then you become good at that thing. Otherwise, clearing a percentage is very easy. That is just 1/3. 24 नंबर पे कैट में, मतलब इस वाले नए पैटर्न में 24 means I think 90 percentile. Maybe more than that. Maybe more than that. 95. 24 क्वेश्चन means 90-95 के बीच में परसेंटाइल आ जाएगा आपका। 90 तो कहीं नहीं गया पक्का। Right?
Sir, in all the 3 sets?
No, in मैं क्वांट की बात कर रहा हूँ। 24 marks in quant means around 90 plus percentile. And 24 question means what? 24 marks means what? 3 questions, 8 questions.
3 questions.
8 questions.
8 पर
26 में से 8 क्वेश्चन 1/3 तो हुए ना यार। मतलब 16 क्वेश्चन नहीं भी देखे, टच भी नहीं किए, स्टिल यू गेट 90 परसेंटाइल। कट ऑफ क्लियर हो गया, जाओ IIM जाओ। बट व्हेन यू से आई एम गुड एट मैथमेटिक्स, even if the paper is difficult, you try to score more than 2/3. Right? Yeah. Next question. Probably the last question. Yeah.
Sir, one more doubt, sir. आपने बोला 6 minutes पे करना है, तो बट अभी जैसे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो अच्छा क्वेश्चन ले रहा है 15-20 मिनट तो
अभी नहीं, ये अभी के लिए नहीं बोली बेटा स्ट्रेटजी। This is a strategy which you use in the mocks. अभी तो आधा आधा घंटा लेके बैठो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Solving question should be focus. Speed should not be the focus right now.
Okay, sir.
This is where you need, consistent mentoring and guidance. Right? So maybe ask some of your seniors who have prepared earlier if you are doing self-prep, or you join a good institute. Right? और उनसे पूछो कि sir, this is problem I am facing. They will help you out with कि भाई ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो.
Okay, sir.
Right? Yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. And tomorrow is no, not tomorrow. Day after tomorrow there is a test. Not day after tomorrow. On 23rd there is a final test for SOGO 100. If some of you want to be part of this batch, last 20 seats are left. You can be this. Otherwise, you can join next year for 2022. Right? Because this year, every year I train only 100 students personally. बाकी YouTube पे 5 तारीख से शुरू होने वाला है. 5th of April, I am going to.
Sir, I have a last query, sir. Like it's my request, like kindly share strategy video for quants as well. Like today, the way you have done today, similarly for
It's
quants.
already done, beta. You can see it on YouTube. We have done it 3 days back.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That is already there. You can do it. Yeah.
सर YouTube पे जो सर क्लास स्टार्ट होगा कब, मतलब टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा उसका?
I will see के YouTube पे कोर्स कैसे डिलीवर करना है, but we are planning to launch the course for this year on your 5th of April. वो कैसे होगा, क्या उसमें डालेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, we will decide it, right? But your 200 plus lectures are already there on your Y2CAT 2020, so you can do those in the meantime.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
DILR के डाल देना, क्वांट्स के तो बहुत सारे हैं.
नहीं, DILR भी काफी है. देखा नहीं होगा तुमने, right? DILR also we have good videos.
हाँ सर, देखा है पर
more videos we'll put in. Don't worry.
Okay sir.
ठीक है. आप भी शेयर कर देना 25-30 जगह, ठीक है?
हाँ सर, करते रहता.
Good.
एक last question था.
आप ही की वजह से है यार. You people have shared it. That's why this channel has grown that high.
Yes,
And without any digital marketing, without anything, we are very close to 9,000 subscribers, within 1 year. Right? That too organically, they call. Yeah, tell me.
So one last question. Sir, एक VRC से related question था. Sir, मैंने अभी कुछ last year के मतलब RCs देखे थे. उसमें सर काफी मुझे मतलब रीड करने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही थी सर. रीड कर लिया और रीड में सब 5 to 6 मिनट्स लिए.
16 वीडियो है VARC का, वो लगा ले. तेरे सभी सवालों का जवाब मिल जाएगा.
ठीक है.
वीडियो लेक्चर्स हैं, वो खाली ज्ञान वीडियो नहीं है. मतलब 16 घंटे का काम है. 31 है. चलो, मतलब 16 वो है. उसके बाद फिर RC की है 31 वीडियोस हैं.
प्रैक्टिस वाले भी होंगे सर उसमें कुछ इंक्लूडेड.
वो लगा के you will have a fair level of clarity on these questions. क्योंकि मैंने इसीलिए बनाया है. I have seen in last 10 years students struggling with these doubts, right? And some YouTube videos make it more disturbing by giving some journal ज्ञान to somebody. 2 minutes में verbal की strategy बना देते हैं. अरे भैया 2 मिनट में verbal बनती है तो बंदा इतने साल से क्यों परेशान होता है यार? Right? And that varies from person to person. Right? Somebody who is studied from convent school will have a different strategy. Somebody from Jhola Chhap school will have a different strategy. Right? समझ रहे ना? उसका अलग अलग है. वो आपको समझना है कि भाई सबसे पहले मेरा लेवल का है, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली तैयारी चलेगी. अब कोई कहता है नॉवल पढ़ने से कोई फायदा नहीं होता. भैया बिल्कुल नहीं होता. जो बंदे ने ऑलरेडी 25 पढ़े हुए उसको नहीं फायदा होता. पर जिसने जीवन में कभी किताब उठा के नहीं देखी है, कभी अखबार उठा के नहीं देखा है, उसको चेतन भगत ही पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, जहां पे ये प्रोग्राम चलेगा. फिर उसको मजा आएगा पढ़ने में. राइट? उसको सीधा तुम ज़ेन एंड द आर्ट ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल मेकिंग बोल दोगे, या उसको बोल दोगे एऑन से पढ़ लो तुम आर्टिकल, स्मिथसोनियन पढ़ लो, वो तो उड़ जाएंगे ना. तो तुम कहोगे क्या रहा है भाई ये. सेम वे क्वांट वाले बंदे को सीधा तुम उसमें डाल दोगे, मिक्सचर एलिगेशन का लेयर्ड क्वेश्चन दे दोगे, वो तो उड़ जाएगा. बोले मेरे से नहीं क्वांट होता, मैं नहीं कर सकता. बट व्हेन यू टेल हिम कि ओके भाई ये 5 है, ये 15 है, कट करो दोनों को, 1 और 3 आ गया, इसको रेशो कहते हैं. देन ही सेज आई नो रेशो. देन यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके, यस. So we go stage wise. That's a simple logic. That's a simple process of learning. You go beginner and then, higher level, then expert level, then professional level. Just don't go straight away professional level. Right? तो उसको पढ़ो. Reading is the key. रोज रीडिंग किया करो, 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा अपने लेवल से स्टार्ट करो. ठीक है?
Yes.
और बोलो.
Thank you.
सर आरसी के लिए तो हाउ टू रीड बेटर एंड फास्टर बुक अच्छी है.
हाँ, वो नॉर्मल लुइस का अच्छा है, हाउ टू रीड फास्टर एंड बेटर. सो इट्स अ गुड बुक. हाँ बेटा.
सर क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग को एस करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? जनरली जो assumptions inference वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं.
रीड एंड डिस्कस. रीड करने के बाद अपना एक दोस्त ढूंढो, उस दोस्त के साथ डिस्कस करो. कोई भी एक आर्टिकल का पीस ले लो, कोई भी आर्टिकल ले लीजिए ऑन एनीथिंग स्लाइटली हायर लेवल. देन फिर दोस्त के साथ डिस्कस करो कि व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाट कुड बी द प्रोफेशन ऑफ द ऑथर, what is the underlying assumption in this thing. But when you do questions, you limit your scope of learning. क्योंकि वो प्रेशर आ जाता है कि यार आंसर मेरे को इन चारों में से ढूंढना है. ठीक है, आप तो समझ ही नहीं पाए कि क्या कहना चाहता है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई रिकमेंड इट. इवन आई मेक ग्रुप्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. मेरे पास 100 बच्चे होंगे, मैं ग्रुप बना देता हूँ. अब ग्रुप बना के उनको क्या बोलते हैं कि भाई आप एक टॉपिक लो, 5 लोग 5 टॉपिक लेके आओ, कहीं से भी उठा के लेके आओ. Right? So you give the topic to the group and everyone will read it for 1 minute. They will come up the discussion. बोलेगा यार मेरे को तो लगता है ये कह रहा है. Then when you understand, you start understanding the author. Right? अब उस पे कुछ मर्जी बना लो यार, उस पे assumption बना लो, उसकी summary करा लो, उसका नींबू निचोड़ा लो, उसका जो मर्जी करा लो. Once you have understood the context, everything is there. Right? अब जब कहानी समझ नहीं आई आपको कि author क्या कह गया मेरा, अब उस पे चाहे उसने अजम्पशन दी है, चाहे उसने आपको समरी दे दिया, ऑड सेंटेंस आउट दे दिया और उसका पैराग्राफ कंप्लीशन दे दिया, कुछ भी दे दिया, वो आप पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे. These are only ways of solving the question. Question is the reading itself. ऑथर क्या कहना चाहता है, उसकी मुद्दा क्या है, सिंपल भाषा में. If you can reproduce, it means you have understood. If you cannot reproduce, it means you have not understood. So how to check that? A group of 4 people, 5 people sitting together, one article. Okay, I understood this thing from this. Somebody say no, from me ये देखो चौथी लाइन में ये चीज लिखी हुई है. दूसरे अरे यार कंक्लूजन तो ये किया है, 5वें फिर बिगिनिंग में however क्यों यूज किया है. So when you discuss this way, your understanding of the text becomes better, and that is the purpose of RC. Neither it is vocabulary nor it is grammar. It is understanding the text from different genres. And for that, you need to do 2 things: read and discuss. Read and discuss. Read and discuss. This is what we do in most of my classes, right? For 2 months, 3 months, we don't even touch RC. कि भाई लो आरसी ले लो, प्रैक्टिस कर लो, फिर मैंने सही आंसर बता दिया, हो गया, वाह वाह आरसी क्लास हो गई, नाचो. ऐसे नहीं होता है. राइट? आपने देखा होगा मेरी जो वीडियोस हैं उसमें भी मैंने फिलॉसफी बेस आरसी अलग कराया है, साइकेट्री बेस आरसी अलग कराया. कहीं नहीं है, सब लोगों ने सिंपल आरसी उठा के कुछ भी आरसी करा दिया. राइट? नहीं, आई हैव क्लासिफाइड इट. अगर ये आरसी तो इसके लिए ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट पता होना चाहिए, और ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं पता तो समझोगे कैसे यार. राइट? फिलोसफर के क्या क्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है अगर नहीं पता तो मैं कैसे समझूंगा अब भाई क्या हो रहा है. अब कोई बंदा कह रहा है अमोनिया, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, ये जो बात कर रहा है, मेरे को नहीं पता, उनके बिना मैं आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. राइट? अब कोई अगर बंदा आ जाए आज से 25 साल पहले, वो मॉडर्न बंदे से बात करे, वो कहे कि भाई व्यूज इतने हैं, इंप्रेशंस इतने आ रहे हैं, राइट, और मेरे लाइक्स इतने हैं, मेरे फॉलोअर्स इतने, वो कहे क्या कह रहे हो यार. राइट? He will not be able to understand what you're saying. Chaliye guys, okay, bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
God bless you all. Still any question, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number, and I will try to take up your question, right? And those who have not appeared for test, you can try appearing for this test. You may get selected in SOGO 100, right? Last 20 seats are there, right? Okay, bye bye. God bless you all.
Bye, sir.